These are the props. This is the mat. That is the frame that we are going to use as an indicator. And of course, the main props we have is the little wings and this nice bow. Very cute, guys, as you can see that. So we only have these 4 simple stuffs. Yes, hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Yes, so obviously this video is all about our baby princess first monthsary. Yes, so we are so excited to show to you guys the BTS, or behind the scenes of baby Eunice's first monthsary pictorial. So yes, right at this time we are just preparing her trying to keep her good mood, because this is going to be very quick pictorial only, especially for the babies. Okay, so as you can see, I was trying to put on her bow there, but it seems like quite tight already. So I had to adjust the garter. Luckily, guys, baby Eunice is really in the good mood. So, but still, we really had to make it very quickly before she starts crying. And so, yes, there you go. I was able to put her bow, and that's it. That's very cute. All right. Yes, and then after that, I was really trying to make it very, very gentle for her, guys, before she starts complaining. Yeah. So I had to put her that way to prepare her from wearing her second props, which is the cute little wings. Yeah, it's pink color, so that's really cute, guys. Actually, if you want to know where we bought these props, it's yes, we can share it to you, and you can easily find and buy these props from Lazada, guys. So luckily we can trust Lazada. And yeah, these props that we ordered came just on time. So there you go. Wow. Look at that. That's so cute and nice, guys. Actually, these props, guys, is actually for the newborn babies, but for us, so that's Daddy Jimmy. As you can see, this is the behind the scenes, guys. You can really see how messy our house is, and we wanted to show to you actually that you can also do the same at your own home. Yes, by just simply doing your best. There you go, guys. Daddy Jim is trying his best to get or to capture a nice angle, and I was trying to help him hold the light. There you go. We had to cover the light because it's quite hot. And yeah, look at that. Baby Eunice is very cute. We're just so blessed, guys, at that time because she's really in the good mood. but we really had to make it very quickly. There you go, Daddy had to go up. Yes, we're just enjoying, guys, but we're a bit pressure actually, because we know very well that babies will have only very short time to keep quiet, and then they will start crying again. So that's the whole scene, guys. You can also do the same at your own home with your babies. So yeah, once again, guys, this props is actually intended for newborn. So usually for newborn they're using this one, but for us we decided to use these props for her first month. And the same idea. I think she's quite tired already at that time. So yeah, now Daddy Jimmy has to pick her up. But I told him to keep her still while she's not crying yet, because we wanted to get more photos of her. We're really trying our best to touch her very gently before she starts complaining. Yes, and now we have to put her upside. And that's it. Hello. That's baby Eunice, guys, our little princess with her bow bigger than her face. Yeah, that's it. Hello. Hello, guys. Hello, subscribers. Thank you for watching us. Yes. That's so sweet. Hi, baby. Hello, guys. I'm having my pictorial here, and I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I have here at my back, in my forehead, but I'm sure it's my mom's ideas. So we wanted to again get more shots of her, and so we decided to put her once again in the mat. But that time she started complaining already. Yes, look at that, guys. So this is really a very nice mat, guys, that you can use for your baby's monthly pictorial. Actually, we had the same idea with our firstborn son, but that idea was a bit, the props that we used was too far from this one. And for this kind of mat, we can easily maintain the idea of having monthly pictorial for a baby. You can easily see, oh, she started crying already. And that's it, guys. That's the final photos that we had. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you learned something from this video. And of course, the kuya